Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Iceland, a land where nature's artistry is on full display. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey through some of Iceland's most amazing places, showcasing its stunning landscapes, geothermal marvels, and rich cultural experiences. From the dramatic cliffs of the south coast to the serene beauty of the Blue Lagoon, Iceland is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. As we delve into this enchanting island, prepare to be mesmerized by the breathtaking sights that define its unique character. Picture yourself standing before the majestic waterfalls of Gullfoss, feeling the mist on your face as rainbows dance in the spray. Imagine exploring the otherworldly terrain of the Golden Circle, where geysers erupt and hot springs bubble beneath your feet. Each location tells a story, revealing the raw power of nature and the tranquility that comes from its untouched landscapes. But Iceland is not just about its stunning scenery, it's also a place rich in culture and history. We'll introduce you to the vibrant traditions of the Icelandic people, their folklore, and how they harmoniously coexist with the natural world around them. So, whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking to immerse yourself in a unique culture, this video promises to ignite your wanderlust and inspire your next travel plans. Join us as we uncover the wonders of Iceland, a destination like no other. The Golden Circle. The Golden Circle is one of Iceland's most iconic routes, offering a breathtaking glimpse into the country's stunning natural wonders and rich history. This popular loop takes you through three key attractions that showcase the diverse beauty and geological significance of the region: Ingvellir National Park, the Geyser Geothermal Area, and Gullfoss Waterfall. First up is Ingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that holds immense historical importance as the site of Iceland's first parliament, established in 930 AD. Here, you can walk between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, witnessing the dramatic Rift Valley that has shaped the landscape over millennia. The park is not only a geological marvel but also a place of cultural significance, where Icelandic history and nature intertwine. Next, we venture to the Geyser Geothermal Area, home to the famous Strákar Geyser, which erupts every few minutes, shooting boiling water high into the air. This geothermal wonderland is a testament to the powerful forces beneath the Earth's surface, with bubbling hot springs and steaming vents that create a surreal atmosphere. Finally, we arrive at Gullfoss Waterfall, one of Iceland's most stunning natural attractions. The sheer power and beauty of the cascading water, plunging into a rugged canyon, leave visitors in awe. The Golden Circle offers a comprehensive Icelandic experience, combining breathtaking landscapes with rich history. If you're planning a trip to Iceland, this route is a must-see, providing unforgettable memories and a deeper understanding of this remarkable island. The Blue Lagoon. Welcome to the famous Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa that has become one of Iceland's most sought-after destinations. Nestled amidst a dramatic landscape of rugged lava fields, the lagoon is renowned for its unique milky blue waters, which are rich in minerals and silica. This striking color, combined with the surrounding black lava rocks and moss-covered terrain, creates a surreal and picturesque setting that feels almost otherworldly. The Blue Lagoon is not just a feast for the eyes, it is also celebrated for its healing properties. The mineral-rich waters are known to provide relief for various skin conditions, making it a popular spot for wellness seekers. Visitors can indulge in a range of spa treatments designed to enhance relaxation and rejuvenation. From soothing massages to luxurious facials that incorporate the lagoon's natural ingredients, there are plenty of opportunities to unwind and pamper yourself in this serene environment. Given its immense popularity among tourists, pre-booking your visit to the Blue Lagoon is essential. The spa attracts thousands of visitors each day, and securing your spot in advance ensures you won't miss out on this iconic experience. Whether you're soaking in the warm waters, enjoying a drink at the swim-up bar, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, a visit to the Blue Lagoon promises to be a highlight of your Icelandic adventure. So, make sure to plan ahead and prepare for a day of relaxation and rejuvenation in one of nature's most beautiful settings. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Welcome to Jökulsárlón, a breathtaking glacial lagoon that captivates visitors with its stunning beauty and serene atmosphere. Located in southeast Iceland, this remarkable destination is filled with floating icebergs that have calved from the nearby Vatnajökull Glacier. The sight of these majestic ice formations, glistening in shades of blue and white, creates a mesmerizing landscape that feels like stepping into a dream. Just a short walk from the lagoon is the famous Diamond Beach, where icebergs wash ashore and contrast beautifully against the black volcanic sand. The sight of these sparkling ice chunks scattered across the beach is nothing short of magical, making it a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing the shimmering ice against the backdrop of the ocean or the dramatic skies above, every angle offers a unique perspective of this natural wonder. For those looking to immerse themselves further in this stunning environment, boat tours are available, allowing you to glide among the icebergs and witness their grandeur up close. These tours provide an unforgettable experience, as you navigate through the lagoon's tranquil waters, surrounded by towering ice formations and the sounds of cracking ice. Beyond its visual allure, Jökulsárlón holds significant ecological importance. The lagoon is a vital habitat for various wildlife, including seals and migratory birds, and plays a crucial role in understanding climate change and glacial dynamics. A visit to Jökulsárlón is not just a feast for the eyes, it's an opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the delicate balance of this unique glacial landscape. Reykjavik, the capital city. Welcome to Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital, where a unique blend of modernity and tradition creates an exciting atmosphere for visitors. As the northernmost capital in the world, Reykjavik is not only the political and economic center of Iceland but also a cultural hub brimming with life. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is Hallgrímskirkja, a stunning church that towers over the skyline. Its striking architecture, inspired by the natural formations of Iceland, offers breathtaking views from the top, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. Another architectural gem is the Harpa Concert Hall, a modern marvel that hosts a variety of performances and events. Its glass facade reflects the surrounding landscape, creating a beautiful interplay of light and color. Reykjavik is also home to a variety of local museums that showcase Iceland's rich history and culture. The National Museum of Iceland provides insights into the country's Viking heritage, while the Reykjavik Art Museum highlights contemporary Icelandic artists. As you wander through the charming streets, you'll discover a lively atmosphere filled with cafes, shops, and galleries. The city's nightlife is equally vibrant, with numerous bars and clubs offering everything from traditional Icelandic music to modern DJ sets. Don't miss the chance to indulge in local cuisine, featuring fresh seafood, lamb dishes, and unique delicacies like fermented shark. Whether you're enjoying a cozy meal or dancing the night away, Reykjavik promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Icelandic culture. So come and explore this dynamic city, where every corner reveals something new and exciting. The Northern Lights. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Northern Lights, a breathtaking natural phenomenon that draws travelers from around the globe to Iceland. Known scientifically as aurora borealis, these stunning displays of colorful lights occur when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere. This interaction creates vibrant waves of green, pink, and purple that dance across the night sky, offering a mesmerizing spectacle that is truly unforgettable. The best time to witness the Northern Lights in Iceland is during the winter months, from late September to early April. During this period, the nights are longer and darker, providing optimal conditions for viewing the auroras. To increase your chances of seeing this magical display, it's essential to keep an eye on the aurora forecast and choose nights with clear skies and minimal light pollution. For the best viewing experiences, consider heading to locations away from city lights. Popular spots include Ingvellir National Park, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and the remote areas of East Iceland. Many tour operators also offer guided excursions specifically designed for Northern Lights hunting, providing expert knowledge and transportation to prime viewing locations. As you plan your trip, remember to dress warmly and bring a camera to capture the stunning visuals. Witnessing the Northern Lights is not just a sight, it's an experience that connects you to the natural world in a profound way. So, mark your calendars and prepare for an adventure that will leave you in awe of Iceland's breathtaking beauty and the wonders of the universe. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Iceland, it's clear that this remarkable island offers a diverse array of attractions and experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the iconic Golden Circle, featuring the breathtaking Ingvellir National Park, Geyser Geothermal Area, and Gullfoss Waterfall, to the serene beauty of the Blue Lagoon and the stunning icebergs of Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, Iceland is a treasure trove of natural marvels. We've also explored the vibrant capital city of Reykjavik, where modern culture meets rich history, and the mesmerizing northern lights that illuminate the winter skies. Each of these experiences highlights the unique charm and beauty that Iceland has to offer, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure and inspiration. If you enjoyed this exploration of Iceland's wonders, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us continue to create engaging content that inspires travel and discovery. Additionally, feel free to share this video with friends and family who might be interested in exploring Iceland or planning their next adventure. Don't forget to check out our related content on the channel or visit our website for more travel tips, guides, and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you again as we continue to explore the incredible beauty of our world.